Fiesta. Flippin' heck. We're getting old now. Jesus.
It's supposed to be around 370.
Probably going to get some hate. Someone that doesn't like them. Nice. Someone nearly drove into us and good reactions, man.
Evo would have smashed it.
Dancing with the steering wheel. Hello world, welcome back to Accelerate and welcome to Ollie's Ford Fiesta ST.
Now we've done Kyle's ST a little while back, but this one is a different power level.
And it was a while back, and to be honest, I think Kenny's just trying to convince me that these are good cars, so let's just find out.
We like one of these. Yeah,
let's go. I put the seat up. I'm getting old now. So guys, you join us out on the road in Ollie's Fiesta. Now, I've said it before, I'm not a huge fan of modern cars, to be honest, which is a bit unfair. Kenny really does like this shape Fiesta, and I'm pretty sure he's getting me to do more than one until I admit that I really like them. But luckily we found another good example of one, which is Ollie's. Now, first of all, obviously I want to say a massive thank you to Ollie. Really appreciate you bringing the car down, man.
No worries at all.
As you can probably see, this is by no means standard. So do you want to give us a quick run through of the performance mods first of all?
So performance wise, I know it's got starting at the front with the Pro Stage 3 Plus intercooler.
I like that, yeah.
It's got the S280 Turbo Technics Turbo.
Yep.
Full exhaust system turbo back, so it's got the...
Someone nearly drove into us and good reactions, man.
Got a D-Cat, D-Res I believe, and then just a big black box at the back.
Yeah, because it does sound quite, like basically Ollie was saying, it's loud and ASBO when you want it to be, because it is mapped to the sport button, is that right?
Yeah, I believe so, yeah.
But then when you're driving around now, it's very, very daliable, yeah.
Cruise control on, you can just chill out like.
That's mad. That's another thing I want to say. I'm sure we mentioned it with Kyle's one. I mean, Ford Fiestas back in the day used to be your absolute economy car with the bare basics. I mean, we're in a Fiesta with cruise control. I never thought I'd see the day. Visually, obviously, there's a few things visually as well. Do you know what? Because, I should stress, you haven't had this car long, have you?
No.
So, not to put you on the spot, but do you want to give us a quick run through of the visuals and anything else you want to show off?
I know it's got the TRC front splitter on it.
Yeah.
I've recently just added this weekend the Zunsport front grille. So
I like that. Yeah, I like that. And I gotta say, one of my favourite things, as soon as I saw the car, that steering wheel's got to be probably my favourite point at the moment. For a genuine forged carbon, with the suede and the flat bottom. Oh, that's awesome. So obviously with the Fiesta ST, they are all about performance. So you will join us now when we get on some better roads. I got to open these windows because it's absolutely roasting, but you'll join us on some better roads. Nice bit of straight road here, so I get my first reaction. I'm really looking forward to this. Whoa. Well, I gotta say, I knew it was going to be crouch low. We didn't touch on the power level. What power level did you say it's running?
In sports mode, it's supposed to be around 370.
Okay. Because the thing that impressed me, I was expecting it to be quick, it's the torque. Now, I know you got a good turbo on there, but it's mad. Yeah. That's what impressed me, that's what pinned me in the seat then. And it literally is Jekyll and Hyde, because we were driving around normal then. The exhaust is not intrusive, it's quite subtle considering it's quite low when you've got big wheels on it. So, yeah, this is I don't want to like these cars, but I got a funny feeling this man is going to convince me. That second gear pull and the verbals. Mad. Flippin' heck. Jesus, going up the hill is mad. I was just going to say about the handling.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to the handling. It felt very planted then when you pull it through into the corner.
Second gear, it's a bit like way.
The torque steer, I imagine, yeah. But wow, that felt really good then. I just realised, yeah, we didn't touch on the brakes now. It has got special brakes. What?
Puma Speed 330mm big brake kit.
Nice.
With track pads.
Yeah, and what? Obviously C-hook disc as well.
Yeah. Very noisy, normal driving. But
Yeah. Well, we've just gone up our normal road there, and like I said, I knew this car was going to be quick, but I think the thing that impressed me, the torque going up the hill, it just kept pulling and pulling. And you can only get a certain amount of feel from the passenger seat, so we're going to jump in the driver's seat now. But thanks, Sam. I'm already quite impressed with this car, I hate to admit it.
This seat up a little bit.
You know what? I got it and I was like, can I wind this seat up? We're getting old now.
I know.
Laying down when we got in here. Back in a Fiesta!
Yeah. Hang on, I was literally in the back of a Fiesta. Yes, I do like these things.
Yes.
There's just something about the ST, the interior, compared to like the normal one.
You
like
nailed it
the
when you said
piano
like,
black and stuff. It
yeah.
just feels more premium.
Ooh, second gear.
Oh, it pulls so well. There's no drama either. So I know he said he wasn't sure if it was an LSD in here.
Yeah.
Feels like there is.
Yeah?
Well, it doesn't light up one wheel.
No, and it's, I noticed he was sort of fighting with it a bit,
Yeah.
so it may well happen then.
That turbo noise. Oh.
It just wants to go, the turbo, doesn't it? It's just spooling ready.
Well, when I was in front of you just now, that's all you could hear was the turbo scroll. It sounds awesome.
We said that, I was like, I bet you can hear it from the front.
But also the brakes, I know it's got uprated brakes,
Yeah.
and they feel really nice.
Yeah.
They're so, like a little bit of bite, and that's it. You know, between putting your foot right on the pedal and that initial bite, it's there.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's nice.
I understand why, I'm starting to understand why they're so popular and why everyone's got one.
Yeah, that's what I say. I've always liked them. I think the styling's really nice on them.
It is modern, it still looks modern today, doesn't it?
It does, yeah. That's it.
And Ollie said the car he hasn't had this long. He said, well, like a month, I think it was.
Yeah, not even a month.
No?
No, he's had it like 2.5, 3 weeks, I think.
The car he had before this was the same shape, but in the Z-Tech S, 1.6, non-EcoBoost, it was a non-turbo.
120 brake.
So this was just...
Yeah, so there's definitely a step up.
Animal.
Nice. Yeah, it's the diff in you.
Yeah.
Sure, yes.
I have to tell him that.
Yeah, you can feel it, you know, when it's trying to spin up the one wheel, it's pulling itself back.
Yes,
So,
yeah.
yeah, it's definitely got a diff in here of some sort.
Yeah, because with this amount of power, first and second gear, surely it would be spinning, wouldn't
It'll
it?
just lit up the one wheel.
Yeah.
I love the sound on it, man. It just sounds awesome. I do miss a turbo. But these turbos are really, really high pitched.
Yeah.
So they just sound better.
Because I'm sure it's the same turbo as Kyle had in his one that we featured.
Yes, yeah.
Pretty sure, so it is a similar setup. Now we did have it dynoed. It was dynoed at 307 without sports mode. It was only the day after, apparently, that one of his mates said to him, oh, what did it make in sports mode? And he was sort of like, what? So apparently there is a big power jump. No proof of that, but he said there is a big power jump in the sports button. I don't think he did get it dynoed with it, but I mean, that's a nice amount of power.
It is. It works with this car.
Yeah.
You know, I'm not gonna lie. It doesn't feel like it's 370 brake.
Nah.
It doesn't. It does feel quick. Same with Kyle's when he was like, it's 330. Because he used to give me crap about the Evo, and I know the Evo would have smashed it. But it's a different type of power. Do you know what I mean?
Well, we are hoping now to get back in the driver's seat of Kyle's one, because that's now dynoed at 391.
Yes.
To be a nice comparison to this.
Yeah, but he didn't have any proof last time either.
No,
so yeah,
he said that. He admitted
yeah,
that.
exactly. So to have, to feel this now to Kyle's, we'll be able to feel sort of the in-between.
Right. Well, I would say, oh yeah, first impressions, but we've been in enough Fiestas, like you said, they are just good places to
They're
be.
nice, yeah, and yeah, snappy, isn't it? Like I said though, the ST just feels a little bit more premium.
It does. And
really weird.
this steering wheel is just, they're not cheap, but my God, what a, oh, the brakes are nice.
They're all there.
Very, very nice.
Nice.
Do you know what? It's a very good balance of there's power there, there's torque there, but it's not. I don't know if that is it, but it's not like crazy wheel spinning out of control. It is a nice power level.
It's composed, isn't it? And that's why I said definitely feels like it's got a diff.
Yes, like you said, you are. Yeah. But what a good set. I mean, the thing I'm sure I said on the last one, it is a Fiesta, so you can drive it like a Fiesta. You can drive it normally, and then when you want to,
yeah,
it is a little performance car, isn't it?
Yes, that's just I do like them. I know you're not the biggest fan. So.
No, I don't know what. It's a bit unfair. Like I'm not a fan of modern cars in general, which is probably a bit unfair. Just because I get more excited over a rusty, like.
So you've got plenty of them.
But I completely see why these things are so popular.
They get a bad rap as well, though, for the pops and bangs and the people who drive them usually. So.
Yeah. Ah, right. Let's have some fun. Oh, that's fun. Come on,
yeah, exactly.
Dancing with the steering wheel. It's that torque there I like.
Yes.
That I miss. Oh, brakes are nice.
Yes. Sorry.
Yeah, the brakes are very responsive. I thought they would a bit snappy at top, when we were at the top, but very good feel. And the handling, I wish we could get this thing on track because it's so responsive and just feels, it's very, very confidence inspiring.
It is, like I said, I was speaking to Ollie about that as well, and I really think you should put it on track because the setup
I mean,
is brilliant.
It's got everything there, doesn't it?
Yes, it has.
Oh, Jesus. It does dance, doesn't it?
Yes.
A few pops.
Like I said, pops and bangs I'm not usually a fan of, but these are nice.
It's quite supple, isn't it? But the torque pulling you up the hill is very nice.
It is. It's a lovely power level.
And I always find with turbos, they're so addictive.
I do miss a turbo.
I do as well, which is why I've probably made my mind up on the MX-5. I haven't told many people, but I think I'm...
Yes.
Which I'm guessing you approve of.
Of course I approve. Anything goes whoopush, I like it.
Well, I think it's clear to say this is...
So has it changed your mind? That's the question.
I don't know what it is about. I wouldn't buy one.
No.
I completely, like, when people give me the keys now and they're like, yeah, I'm going to have fun, I know I'm going to enjoy it, always enjoy it.
Yeah.
But if I was going to buy one, it would be my daily, and if I want a daily, I want something a bit more practical. So for me, it's not quite the car for me, but you cannot deny. For someone that doesn't like them, I gotta say it's such a good car.
It is, isn't it?
Which doesn't
I love
really
it.
make sense, but... One more little
So
blip.
much so, he wants another little squeeze.
Yeah, but I don't like it.
No. So, Ollie's Fiesta ST.
Yes, another ST. I know, like I said, I'm sure we're just doing more and more so you can try and convince me they're good cars. I know they're good cars. I'm probably going to get some hate. It's just, they're not the car for me. I wouldn't personally buy one. But every time I drive one, they're such good packages. I can't.
Do you know what? I, like you said earlier in the video, I think to have a standard one would be perfect daily.
I think that's what we need. So if there's anyone out there with a standard one,
give us a shout.
We should probably drive a standard one, but they're such a good package. It's a lot less dramatic than I thought it was going to be. And I don't know if that's, again, coming from the older cars that I drive, being in a much more modern car, they always feel a lot more planted and a lot more refined, I suppose.
Yeah, it does, definitely. It's you know, even being a small hatchback, still got that bit of quality.
Yeah, and like I said, back in the day, Fiestas were your bare bones, basically. Like to get a stereo, this thing's got cruise control. It's got cruise control, so it's just bonkers. So I completely understand people demand certain things from modern cars.
Yeah.
It is a good modern car. It's just, I just don't want to drag myself into the 21st century, obviously.
Never will.
But anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. We'll leave it there. Oh, one more thing. Speaking of the paintwork and everything, it looks absolutely gleaming, and it's big thanks to JR Detailing, who sorted it out very last minute for Ollie, and I think you'll agree it does look good.
It does, yeah.
So
definitely.
Get in touch with him, Facebook or Instagram. We'll put his details by there and below. But yeah, as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We will see you in the next one.
Damn flies.
I've been doing that all day.
And they got a twitch.